Good morning! Good morning, Lods. Early morning ride with OBR. So, we are on our way to Talakag. Time check, it's 2:15. Let's go! Let's go! Dahan-dahan lang, sir. What's up? Hello, mga kapatid. Alright, let's go. Let's go, let's go. What is up, guys? Update lang tayo, mga Lods. So, it's 4:08 in the morning. So finally, we're here in dito na tayo sa Iligan City, mga Lods. Come to my place of birth, yo. So quick tour lang tayo dito, guys, sa Ciudad Iligan. Alright, so as you can see, mabasa yung daan, mga Lods. The road is wet. The road is wet, God, because it's raining. It was raining a while ago. Char. See? Galing kong mag-English, no? Okay ba yun? Chill ride lang. Kasama ko ngayon si Commander, si OBR, si Miming. So I hope may makita pa rin kayo sa daan, Lods, no? Kasi I'm not sure if okay tong is J-cam, okay tong action camera ko sa dilim. Alright, so mga Lods, sumakasakit na naman yung ngipin natin, no? Hello, Robinson! Good morning! Good morning! Purok! Purok Manuwang! Good morning! Good morning, Purok Manuwang! Merry Christmas, Iligan! Merry Christmas! Hey! Hana all sound trip. So as you can see, marami ng Di Marby! Abri, sila ba?
A few moments later.
Tayo na lang, dalawang. Hi guys, what's up kayo, Pak? Dumi-dumi mo, sniper. Let's go! Alright. What's up, mga Lods? Pretty here. Pasensya na kayo, wala akong update kanina kasi biglang umulan at kami ay na-stranded. Pagdating namin sa Cagayan, napaka-traffic, mga Lods. Let's go! So ito yung mga kasama natin, mga Lods. Family lang. May kunin lang family member din. Family road trip. Ayos ba yun? Alright. So yung motor natin, XRM Smash 115 at Sniper 150. Let's go!
Okay lang na.
Kasi muna.
Wala. Malahin na punta ni.
XRM versus Sniper 150. Alright, so guys, this is Talakag, Bukidnon. Only 45 minutes away from Cagayan de Oro City. So on our way to Miyarayan, which is a very very cold place. Napakalamig doon, mga Lods. Bawal ang sandogang doon. Alright. Okay, Lods. So currently nandito tayo sa sentro, sa lugar ng Talakag, Bukidnon. Bili lang tayo ng konting pan. Yun, si OBR at saka ang kaniyang brother, little brother, na naka-Smash 115. Shout out. Sa time check, it's 12:20. Okay, so try nating pumunta dun sa Miyarayan, Bukidnon. So I'm not sure if papayagan tayo makapasok kasi baka stricto doon at wala tayong papers, but still there's no harm in trying. Hello birthday girl, happy birthday Miming. Alright, so mga lods, gusto niyo makita kung anong lagay ng motor natin mga lods? Oh no mo
ang lagi dili pa dali nga piot diri no luag lagi
malay. So dumi niya lods, dumi niya lods, tingnan niyo lods. Boom, check engine tayo lods. So kahapon lang to lods, tapos nag check engine siya bigla na lang, hindi ko alam kung bakit. At pagkatapos nun ay pinunta ko dun sa kasa, dun sa Yamaha 3S ba? 3S.
okay vibrate ano sa likod eh
Slow mo naman. Time check, it's 12:32. Sana hindi umulan. Sana hindi umulan mga idols. Mana yap? Taas ito. Ah. It's a sunny day. Wow, walang ulan. Nilagay ko pa to sa ano guys, waterproof case. Tapos walang ulan. Very nice, very nice. Napakakulimlim sa kabilang bahagi ng bundok mga kaibigan, kaya ihanda ang ating mga kapote. So ayun mga lods, back to vlogging naman tayo. So as you can see, madilim na yung kalangitan at maybe ulan na siguro mamaya. Buti na lang nilagay na natin itong action cam sa rain. Kana? Waterproof case. Oh, see? Kita mo yun, Lods? Woo! Damn, son.
Thank you, Lord, for the sunny day.
Moving on close to my goal. Time is now, place is here to rest. Filling the holes of my soul. I see, I like, I go, I get. No one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get. Go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now. Speaking more like it really is. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get. No one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now. I see, I like, I go, I get. No one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get. Go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now. Rising up like a phoenix is. Been tired of pushed underground. Speaking my heart like it really is. 'Cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get. No one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get.
Eskalin ba? Ano ka lang ito, Lai? Alright, duduk. Ay, balay-balay.
Ay, dari man to, katong mga kwan.
Kita? Duduk. Alright.
Time is now, place is here to rest. Filling the holes of my soul. I see, I like, I go, I get. No one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get. Go, I get, go, I get, go, I get.
Tumulong.
Oh, wow, that's so nice.
Ba? Kita niyo yan, Lord. Alright.
Ulan na. Relax na tayo. Next time, there always be next time.
Uh-huh.
Thank you, Lord, for the sunny day.
Speaking more like it really is. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get. No one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now.
Oh, palog. Palog sa video, no? Oh, wala ko yung bonito. Ano? Alright, Lapok Elementary School.
Ito na ako. Pizza pa na rin.
Rising up like a phoenix says, been tired of pushed to the ground. Speaking my heart like it really is, 'cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now.
Yun sa. Yun sa kabila gani ko float. Gani. Dugay na ko ka usumay. Dugay na mi amawa ka og Jollibee. Ba. Kini sila di ka Jollibee. Oy na dire. Unsa man oy?
Naman, naman. Palagi gaon.
Pwede na.
Itadakimasu.
A few moments later.